babies. She originally had 8 eggs, 6 hatched, and then we lost one. It was a little teeny tiny baby, so it didn't make it. So now we have 5. So she's a busy mom and dad. No, don't come up here. What are you doing, stinkers? I'm just checking the babies today and seeing how we're doing. Each one. Just checking their little feet. This one looks like it's gonna be probably more like Mama. Let me show you Mama. Okay. There's Mama. She's beautiful. She's green and yellow. And then Dad is this handsome blue guy over here. So I'm gonna pull the rest of the babies over here so I can check them and check their legs. Because we had another one, we call him Bibble, but he was given to us, but his legs didn't form properly, so he's had a hard time sitting on the perch. So this way we can check him and make sure everybody's good. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetheart. So I'll look at the others, and I'll be right back. I put a little millet in there, and this baby decided to go over there and give it a try. Look at that. Are you being a big baby? She gets so aggravated at them. It's getting tight. Believe it or not, it looks really tiny in this bird cage. This birdhouse is actually a really good size box. It just looks so tiny now that the babies have gotten big. Now I know why this one is, the nesting boxes for this one is so big. Because for our finches, they have little tiny nesting boxes. So, anyway. Oh, they're getting cute. They're getting cute. So they weren't very cute when they were born, though. When they were hatched. Nope. There we go. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, world. I'm going to let you have some peace and quiet. Maybe Mama can get some rest. Thought I would check on everybody today. Let's take a look here. There's Mama to the left. I think we are on week 3. These guys have just gotten so big so fast. I just can't even keep up with them. And I'm not going to put my hand in there because she bites. So I'll get them out in just a minute. But you notice we're missing our little white one. And that is because we've decided to come out of the nest. Look at that big baby. So I'm gonna get them in just a second. So, but that is our little guys. This one's a little easier to see. So I'm gonna get them out, let them exercise. And we're just trying to make sure that they're very accustomed to our touch and smell and that they're friendly because all their parents had not been handled. We had purchased them and they had not been handled at all. And so as you can tell by that first video with my bite that we are not that friendly. So we're trying to make sure that this set is friendly so that when they do go to their new homes, they can have affection and a really great setup. It'll be very hard to part with them though. So, but we still have a little while yet because they are just little babies. So here we go. Yes, babies. Yes, babies. Yes, my sweet babies. My sweet babies. Mm-hmm. You guys ready to go see your mama now? You guys ready to go see your mama?